This 1953 Chevrolet 3100 is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Rare 5-window 3,100,350 V8 with tires, supercharger, automatic transmission, vintage AC 373 rear and front wheels, 9x20 rear wheels, 10x20 digital dashboard, custom premium sound system, custom paint, full custom interior including door panels and headliner, electric door, poppers, gas tank located under the bed with power gate access, front and rear disc brakes, electric radiator, fan power, windows, keyless and tri-yellow exterior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and app pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.